Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome to our continuous coverage of the Hagley Park Improvement Project. We're seeing the gully clean so far since the recent heavy rains. No garbage in the gully, it's a good sign. And earlier today, we saw repairs were done to this drain cover earlier today. I see graffiti along the wall. We're seeing work taking place along this part of the roadway. They replaced damaged pipe here earlier. And the concrete base, they build around this pipe for protection because the area is soft, I've been told. So concrete base we build around this part of the underground pipe for protection. Again, work vehicle and the traffic is in space as we saw earlier in the construction phase of the roadway. Work continues here as well, and signs to the plants right here. Yeah, man, a peanut vendor here, and you can see his wares along the work site.
Peanut cake, granuts, fruits and nuts with raisin, pumpkin seed and sunflower seed and peanut.
Oh.
Good for 6 flights.
And also the fish vendor here as well. But you know, in the very near future, it will transform to green space. So then it will be allowed going forward. And they're digging again to erect signposts right here. So signposts will be going here. And you can see now the ones damaged drain coverings be repaired along the work sites. Across from the gas station. And more signposts we placed here. The road going down Spanish Town Road. And here by the sidewalk as well. And work have been completed so far, also almost completed to repair the drain covers. Soft cutting was done right here, as you can see, across from the Hunt Bay Police Station. These were opened during the recent heavy rains. And sand poles being installed. You can see here. A broader view of part of the work site here in 3 miles. Beside the gas station, the Texaco station.
One with big mic.
We are seeing potholes on the ramp by Spanish Town Road. Just across from Tools Hardware. We're also seeing a sinking in the road along Spanish Town Road, just across from Salada Foods, Jamaica. So motorists, be on the alert for this sinking Spanish Town Road as you are passing wholesale factory outlets and Salada Foods. These ladies, they need a walking space. You can see there's a walking space. And she cannot look like her daughter. Here by the busy thoroughfare. Trying to cross the busy Spanish Town Road. Just about to get out a way to cross. And the walkthrough is about 50 meters up the road from where she was standing. A second look at the pothole along this side of the roadway, the ramp. ambulance passing through. And notice it give way as usual for emergency people. And the sidewalk is now across by Tools Hardware. And more work is also taking place in this area. Right by Musson building. There looks like a drain. It's under construction here. Curb wall is also being laid, and it's a drain. You can see running in front of the not Musson, Kelly's, I beg your pardon. Kelly's building here along Spanish Town Road. So a drain. Been constructed along the side. Then you put in a groove in the curb wall. Which allows for the water to run off the sidewalk to these grooves and onto the roadway. You're seeing more no stopping sign on the work site. This one was where the old Tasty building was. No stopping sign. I'm Dudley Thompson at 3 miles for Roots FM News. For Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thanks in advance.